Today we're going to bring a 3-in-1 connection and a glowing connection too. Now this one has rotation up to 360. Well, these are magnetic. You set these up on your actual device, which it could be your phone, it could be any module that you have that has a Type C connection, a micro USB, and also a lightning bolt connection. So we're going to connect all three devices, see how well it works. So let's put it to use and see how well it looks. All right, so they pretty much give you the cable management and tie down, if you guys can see that. Now here, you actually could store the actual connections in here. So that's good that you attach the actual cable. There's a little grip here. It grips the back. And you could cable management with it too. Pretty much all these devices together. Type C, we're gonna set it up on my phone, if you guys can see. Think about the actual head, look at that. It's adjustable. So you don't have to worry about it goes left and right, right? I like that. That's a really good unique. Now the cable itself is a little like maybe like 3 or 4 feet. All right, USB Type A and then magnetic. So let's go ahead and try that. Plug it into our phone, a Type C phone. All right, it's in there. Now you got to do is make sure you plug it in, and you'll see it charging automatically. And then as soon as you charge, you're gonna see the actual light. And I'm gonna turn it off so you guys can see some of the features. So check out the actual keyboard itself. Look at that. It's glowing at night, so I turn off all the lights here so you guys can see how beautiful it looks. So it tells you it's charging. When it doesn't charge, it automatically turns off after a bit. All right, so as soon as it touches the magnetize, it starts charging. You can see the actual power flowing down the actual system. Very convenient. It tells you, and I like this. This is a plus, and very simple. This makes the whole system simple to actually charge any device you have. At the end of the day, I want to show you something. So you could time down and actually store the actual connections here, tie down the whole system, the whole module, and is well fitted in here, well thought about how to set this up. So once you have this whole setup, you can just tie it down either way. So very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.